According to a study, the Earth's vegetation is experiencing a significant increase due to carbon dioxide fertilization. Greetings and salutations to everyone. Today's video topic revolves around the remarkable discovery made by a team of 32 authors from 24 institutions across 8 countries. Their study, utilizing satellite data from NASA and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, reveals that the Earth has experienced a significant increase in vegetation, covering an area twice the size of the continental US. This greening phenomenon can be attributed to higher concentrations of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Astonishingly, carbon dioxide fertilization accounts for a staggering 70% of this greening effect, while nitrogen contributes 9%. However, it is important to note that the fertilization effect of carbon dioxide gradually diminishes as plants adapt to the elevated levels. Without further delay, let us delve into our discussion. Led by a team of 32 authors hailing from 24 institutions across 8 countries, this international effort utilized satellite data from NASA's Moderate Resolution Imaging Spectrometer and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration's Advanced Very High Resolution Radiometer instruments to assess the leaf area index, which measures the extent of leaf coverage in vegetated areas worldwide. The remarkable result of this study is the observed increase in foliage, equivalent in size to 2 times the landmass of the continental United States. Through the process of photosynthesis, green leaves harness energy from sunlight to merge carbon dioxide from the atmosphere with water and nutrients from the soil. This chemical reaction results in the production of sugars, which serve as the primary sustenance for all life forms on our planet, providing nourishment, materials for textiles, and even fuel. Research has demonstrated that higher levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere stimulate photosynthesis, thereby promoting the growth of plants. The growth of plants is not solely attributed to carbon dioxide fertilization. Other factors such as nitrogen, changes in land cover, and climate change also play a role. Climate change, including alterations in global temperature, precipitation, and sunlight, contributes to the greening effect. To assess the specific impact of carbon dioxide, scientists conducted simulations using computer models that replicated the observed plant growth from satellite data. These models analyzed the effects of carbon dioxide as well as the other variables individually. According to Ranga Mainini, a professor at Boston University, the greening effect can be attributed to carbon dioxide fertilization, which accounts for 70% of the phenomenon. Nitrogen, on the other hand, plays a lesser role, contributing only 9%. This highlights the significant impact that CO2 has in driving this process. Vegetation blankets approximately 85% of the ice-free land on our planet. On average, the expanse occupied by green foliage accounts for 32% of Earth's entire surface area, encompassing oceans, land masses, and permanent ice sheets. This remarkable increase in greenery over the past 3.5 decades has the potential to profoundly alter the water and carbon cycles within the climate system, as stated by Zaichun Zhu, the lead author of this study and a researcher from Peking University, China. Zhu collaborated with Mineni, who served as a visiting scholar at Boston University during the initial phase of this research. Approximately 5 billion tons of carbon originating from human activities are released into the atmosphere annually. Interestingly, about half of this carbon finds temporary storage, with roughly equal portions being absorbed by the oceans and plants. Shilong Piao, a co-author from Peking University's College of Urban and Environmental Sciences, noted that although our study did not specifically investigate the relationship between plant growth and carbon storage, other researchers indicated a rise in carbon absorption on land since the 1980s. This aligns perfectly with the concept of a flourishing Earth. Although an increase in carbon dioxide levels can have positive effects on plant growth, it is also the primary cause of climate change. This gas, responsible for trapping heat in the Earth's atmosphere, has been steadily rising since the Industrial Revolution as a result of burning fossil fuels and wood for energy. Currently, carbon dioxide concentrations are reaching levels that have not been observed in at least 500,000 years. The consequences of climate change encompass various issues such as global warming, higher sea levels, the melting of glaciers and sea ice, and the occurrence of more extreme weather events. Dr. Philippe Siey, co-author and associate director of the Laboratory of Climate and Environmental Sciences in Gif-sous-Vivette, France, noted that there may be limitations to the positive effects of carbon dioxide on plant growth. According to studies, plants have the ability to adapt and regulate their response to increasing carbon dioxide levels, resulting in a decrease in the fertilization effect over a period of time. Co-author Josep Canadell from the Oceans and Atmosphere Division of the Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organisation in Canberra, Australia, explained that the identification of greening is founded on data, but the assignment of causative factors relies on models. Canadell further emphasised that these models are constantly undergoing enhancements, striving to provide the most accurate representation of Earth's system components. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.